This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Kraken. First, ensure both your Coinbase and Kraken accounts are fully verified and ready for transactions. You'll need to understand the specific cryptocurrency you wish to move, as different assets may have varying network fees and confirmation times. This process involves a few key steps to ensure your funds arrive safely at their destination. To begin, log into your Kraken account and navigate to the funding section. Here, you'll select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to receive. It's crucial to choose the correct network, for example, ERC20 for Ethereum-based tokens. Once selected, a unique deposit address will be generated. Carefully copy this address. You'll need it for the next step. Now, switch over to your Coinbase account. Go to your portfolio or assets section and select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Click Send or Withdraw and paste the Kraken deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Double-check that the address and the chosen network are identical. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, then carefully review all transaction details before confirming. Once you've initiated the transfer, it's crucial to monitor both your Coinbase withdrawal history and your Kraken deposit page. Transaction times can vary depending on network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency, and network fees apply. Always double-check the transaction ID on a blockchain explorer if you experience delays. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.